Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Big Cat Race. Try to keep up, Slowpoke.
Eat our dust, Slowpokes!
Whoa, we got him! Go, go, go!
This is the best race ever! We're flying!
That's it! The Cat's Fang Curve! Too slow! Poor kitty!
Try and catch us, losers!
Wow, this is so fun! We're gonna win!
Hang on, we're almost through the turn.
Hold steady, we can do this!
Why can't we shake them?
We're better than them! Push it!
Woohoo! I won the big race!
Get ready, racers! Tomorrow's the big day!
Wow, it's sparkling!
It certainly is, sweetie. Almost as bright as the stars.
So, the poor cat's got a toy now. How long that toy lasts?
Kindness always wins! Together, we can do it!
Yeah! Let's go!
Someday, I'll show them! The City Grand Race! This is our chance! Well...
Obviously, I'll win again this year.
Wow! We'll join too! Ah. We'll show them what team spirit is like!
Team name?
Team name? The Red Racers!
Cute toy, Winnie. Hope it doesn't fall apart. Eat our dust, Slowpokes! They look tiny back there.
She runs!
Woohoo! Look how fast we're going, Mom! You're doing great, sweetie. Just keep your eyes on the track.
Look how fast we're going, Mom!
You're doing great, sweetie.
Look, the finish line!
You're doing great, sweetie.
We're winning! Keep steady now! Oh, come on! Tomorrow, we give it our all. Tomorrow, we give it our all. We're doing great, sweetie. Just hold on.
Whee!
Faster, Mummy, faster! Oh, come on, not again. They're trying to pass us.
Don't you worry, sweetie. We're pulling ahead.
Yeah! We are the fastest car here! Look, Angela, we're going so fast!
You're doing wonderfully, sweetie. Keep your eyes on the track. Can you tell me what day is today?
Uh-oh, my tummy. Teacher, my stomach feels funny. My tummy hurts so much. Emergency! Magic candy alert!
School is in danger. Students are affected by magic candy.
Time to swing! Hang on, little ones, I'm here! Spider Cat, the students, they're sick! What did you eat, baby babe? Blowing cotton from a black mouse! Black mouse again! I'll do it!
Welcome, little spider. Want some candy? Your game ends here, rat.
Let's clean up your mess! Let's clean up your mess! I won't let you win!
You are too weak to stop me, kitty cat. Game over! You'll never hurt any kitten again!
Another day saved. Time to check on the kids.
You're all safe now, my little ones. Look at all the toys, Nurse. Can I play with the blocks?
Of course, sweetie. Go ahead. Spider Cat, he's back! I'm sorry. I shouldn't eat candy from strangers. Remember, being safe is the best superpower.
Be brave, be kind, and always think before you eat.
Sweetie, time to brush your teeth.